Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to do Instagram poll on story. So as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile. So to create a poll on the story, first of all what we need to do, we need to create a story. So you can create a story from your profile and you can also do this from your feeds. So now what we are doing here, we are creating this from our profile. So you just have to tap on your profile picture and you can do the same thing when you're on the feeds as well. So now we're gonna simply scroll down. You can see here that we are actually using our camera, so we can also use the picture as well if you wanted to, but I would like to capture a picture here, so I'm gonna simply tap on the capture button. So now as you can see that we have the icons at the top of our screen. Okay, so I'm gonna simply tap on this smiley face, and now you'll be able to see different options here. And what we have to do, we actually have to tap on poll here. So in the poll, I'm going to simply ask a simple question. Which transport do you prefer? That is the question of my poll. And the first one would be, let's say, train. And in the second one, we can add plane. That's it. And now we can simply tap on done. Now what we have to do, we just have to upload our story by tapping on this icon that we have on the bottom right side. Click on share, and now when I'm going to tap on my profile picture and my Instagram profile, you will be able to see the poll that we have created. All right, so this is how you can do Instagram poll on story. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.